Step back in time and experience the charm of this 1963 Dodge Lancer, a classic beauty that's sure to turn heads. With only 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle is in excellent condition for its age, offering a clean title and automatic transmission. Under the hood, it boasts the powerful 440 V8 engine, a true muscle car's heart. This Lancer's striking appearance and smooth ride make it a collector's dream. Located in Fresno, California, it's priced at $18,000, a reasonable amount for such a well-maintained piece of automotive history. Whether you're looking to enjoy it as a daily driver or restore it to its former glory, this Lancer offers the perfect foundation for both. Don't miss out on the chance to own this piece of classic American engineering. For more information and detailed photos, check out the link in the description. Imagine driving down the highway in a classic 1956 Ford Thunderbird convertible, with its eye-catching red paint glistening under the sun. Now's your chance to purchase this piece of history for $14,000, located in the serene community of Prather, California. This charming vehicle is powered by an 8-cylinder gas engine and features an automatic transmission, but it needs a little love, having last been driven in 2007. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, it carries the weight of memories and the potential for restoration. The car is currently in fair condition, with both the hardtop and convertible top included. However, it requires a complete restoration and is not operational at present. The brakes don't work, and it has been on California non-operational status since it was towed. This Thunderbird was treasured by a family, and now it longs for someone passionate enough to revive it. If you're a classic car enthusiast looking for a project, this could be the perfect investment opportunity. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more details and photos of this potential masterpiece waiting for its second chance at life. Introducing the timeless elegance of the 1964 Cadillac Series 62, available for just $11,500 in the charming town of Preston, Connecticut. This classic beauty boasts a powerful 429 cubic inch V8 engine that delivers both performance and refinement, paired with a smooth automatic transmission for ease of driving. With only 85,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle has been lovingly maintained and is in excellent condition. The solid body and frame ensure that it's not just a pretty face, but a reliable classic ready to hit the road. With a clean title, you can rest assured you're making a sound investment. Owning this Cadillac means more than just having a car. It's about embracing a lifestyle filled with nostalgia and prestige. With such a combination of history and modern capabilities, this Series 62 is a masterpiece that deserves a place in your garage. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of American automotive history. Check out the link in the description for more details and stunning photos. This 1964 Ford F-100 is a true gem for anyone looking to restore or own a classic. With only 80,000 miles, it's been well preserved and is in excellent condition. The 292 Y-block V8 engine was recently rebuilt, providing reliable performance with plenty of power. The 3-speed manual transmission on the column offers a nostalgic driving experience that has received numerous upgrades, including new brakes, shocks, tires. and an upgraded dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. The interior has been completely redone, and the body features straight lines with a beautiful patina that tells its own story. It also boasts a clean title and a great mechanical setup. For just $14,000, you're getting a piece of automotive history that runs strong and looks even better. Don't miss your chance to own this classic Ford. For more details and pictures, check out the link in the description. It's a solid investment for restoration or an immediate addition to your collection. Step back into the golden age of American muscle with this 1964 Ford Galaxie 500. Priced at $13,000 and located in Ambridge, Pennsylvania, this beauty boasts an excellent condition with just 65,000 original miles on the clock. Under the hood, you'll find a small-block Windsor 289 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, offering that perfect old-school driving experience. The car has been well-maintained, with major work done recently, including a full engine teardown, front-end upgrades, and a new set of tires. The interior is clean, with no stains or odors, and the exterior features a charming patina. Some minor improvements are needed, like a new clutch already included, and the exhaust manifold gasket could use a fix. But don't let that deter you. This car is in incredible shape for its age. A solid frame and ethanol-free fuel ensure it runs smoothly, and its garage-kept history in Pennsylvania, after being originally from Arizona, means you're getting a well-preserved classic. With a little TLC, this 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 could be a fantastic investment or restoration project for any classic car enthusiast. For more details and photos, check the link in the description. Introducing the 1964 Mercury Marauder, a true classic that combines timeless style with impressive upgrades. Priced at $11,500, this sedan has a clean title and boasts a freshly rebuilt 1971 429 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. With brand new brakes, exhaust, shocks, carburetor, and HEI distributor, this car is ready to hit the road. The chrome and trim pieces are included alongside a 1963 parts car, making this an outstanding project for restoration enthusiasts. While the mileage shows just 1 on the odometer, this vehicle comes with a robust list of new parts, ensuring its next owner has a head start in restoring this iconic ride. With its rich history and recent upgrades, this Marauder is an excellent investment for anyone looking to own a piece of automotive history. Don't miss out on the chance to bring this classic back to life. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. If you're searching for a classic gem with immense potential, let me introduce you to this 1964 Volkswagen Bug convertible. Available for $12,000 in the beautiful city of Aurora, Colorado. With just 300 miles logged since a pan-off restoration, this vehicle boasts a clean title and a 4-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, making it a true classic. Although it currently needs some TLC, an engine replacement, tires, and a convertible top reupholstering, the foundation is solid, featuring a rebuilt powder-coated pan and new upholstery. This bug comes with exquisite chrome details, including wheels and bumper blades, plus a VW convertible shop manual for your restoration journey. For enthusiasts, owning an early convertible bug is a dream, and given their worth can easily exceed $20,000. This is an opportunity not to be missed. For more information and stunning photos, check out the link in the description. This vehicle could be the start of another glorious chapter in automotive history. Are you ready to take the plunge? Step into a piece of American automotive history with this stunning 1965 Buick Electra 225 convertible, available for just $16,900 in Casa Grande, Arizona. With its striking blue exterior, this classic beauty is sure to turn heads as you cruise down the boulevard. Under the hood lies the original 401 cubic inch nailhead engine, delivering a powerful 325 horsepower. Paired with the smooth shifting GM Turbo Hydromatic 400 3-speed automatic transmission. While the odometer shows 40,000 miles, it's worth noting that the true mileage is unknown, adding a hint of mystery to this vintage ride. The seats, though original vinyl, display the character that comes with age, but it only adds to the car's nostalgic charm. Featuring rear-wheel drive and power top and windows, this convertible is not just a car. It's an experience waiting to be relished. Clean title status also assures you of its legitimacy. Can you picture the wind in your hair as you drive off in this classic? For car enthusiasts or anyone looking for a fun drive, this Buick stands out as a worthwhile investment for both enjoyment and restoration potential. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more information and photos of this timeless beauty. Dive into the classic charm of the 1965 Buick LeSabre, a timeless beauty that defines vintage elegance at an attractive price of $10,000. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, this dependable gas-powered vehicle with a smooth automatic transmission promises performance and style. Its clean title indicates a well-maintained history, making it a sound investment, whether as a classic ride or a restoration project. Nestled in the heart of Nevada, this LeSabre invites you to relive the golden age of automobiles. Embrace nostalgia and the open road with a classic that exudes confidence and character. If you're passionate about vintage cars, this could be a gem waiting for your personal touch. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Check the link in the description for more details and stunning photos. This price for such a condition is definitely worth considering for any enthusiast. Here's an exciting opportunity to own a classic American muscle car, the 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle. This car runs and drives smoothly with a powerful 350 engine paired with a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. The 99,000 miles on the odometer show this car has plenty of life left. Finished in a striking blue, this Chevelle boasts new tires, tubular A-arms, and lowered suspension, all sitting on 15x3 and 15x8 rally wheels. With a clean California title in non-op status, this car is ready for someone who appreciates the power and beauty of a true classic. At $16,500, it's a fair price for the quality, condition, and features it offers. Whether you're looking for a project car to restore or a reliable classic to cruise in, this Chevelle checks the right boxes. Check out the link in the description for more details and photos.